Hello, and today we're going to talk you through how to use Alientech's all-new Powergate tuning device. This video is intended for retail customers, so let's get started. In this video, we are going to give you a short demonstration on how to use the tool, then take you through in detail on what's in the box, using and registering the app for the first time, logging into the app and pairing your device, connecting to the vehicle, auto update checks, finding and selecting your vehicle from the list, identifying the vehicle, reading the vehicle's ECU data file, exporting a copy of the ECU's data file, writing the modified data file back onto your vehicle, and what to do once the process is completed. But first, more about the Powergate. The Alientech Powergate is an innovative tuning tool designed for vehicle owners who desire the flexibility to modify their car's performance at their own convenience. The device can be kept by you, and you can switch between different drive settings in as little as 15 minutes per change. There is a choice from Eco Me, Thrill Me, Fusion Me, Excite Me, Park Me, Classic Me, and more. Find out at vizu.com. The Alientech Powergate is available from vizu.com and enables users to switch between different tuning settings. Each device can store up to 4 different configurations, created according to their chosen specifications, plus the original file, which allows you to revert your vehicle to factory settings whenever needed, without the need to visit a tuner. Whilst you can buy the hardware online, please speak to the Vizu support team about which drive setting is right for you and your vehicle on 01789 774444 or email on info@vizu.com. Over here we have Alientech's all-new Powergate, and behind me is our Peugeot partner. I'm going to be demonstrating just how easy it is to use the new Powergate. Firstly, ensure the vehicle you're working on is connected to a battery stabilizer. Then connect your OBD cable to your Powergate and then plug the Powergate into your vehicle. Your Powergate will then turn blue. Once you've plugged in the Powergate device, you'll need to open up the app. Follow the on-screen instructions and connect to the internet. Then, during this process, your Powergate will turn yellow. Select your vehicle make, model, whether it's a diesel or petrol from the drop-down menu, followed by the engine size. You will then be able to choose your ECU. Next, you will have to ID your vehicle, following on from which you will be given the option to read your vehicle. During the ID and reading process, your Powergate will flash red. When we finish reading our file from our vehicle's ECU, the file will be automatically sent to us here at Vizu. All you have to do is sit back, relax, and wait for the file to come back. On purchasing your Powergate from Vizu, you will have selected your device's drive options. These drive options will be worked on by our team of expert file writers and sent back to you to write to your vehicle. Now that you've gotten your file back from us here at Vizu, the next step is to write the file to the car. Please reconnect your Powergate following the on-screen instructions and ensure that the battery stabilizer is connected to your vehicle. You may have to ID the vehicle once again. Following this, select Write. This will display the ECU mod files you have chosen when purchasing your Powergate device. Select the one you wish to write to your vehicle and follow the instructions on the screen. You may have to turn the ignition on and off during the process depending on your vehicle. And there you have it, an overview of how to use Alientech's all-new Powergate device. Next we'll be covering it up in a bit more detail, so stay with us. Before you receive your Powergate from us, you might want to know what's in the box. Opening your Powergate box, you will find the device itself, an OBD cable, and a quick start guide. To use your newly purchased Powergate, you will need the following: your Powergate device, a battery stabilizer, your mobile phone with the Powergate app installed on it, and an internet connection. You'll need to head to your mobile device's app store and type in Alientech, and the Powergate app will appear. Click the download button to download the app. After downloading the app, users can create a profile with your Alien ID to associate the tool with your smartphone and start a reprogramming session. You will need to create an account, register and pair your device. When opening the app for the first time, you will be greeted with a login screen. Click Sign Up to begin your registration process. Choose your country of origin, enter your email, first name and surname. Check the 3 boxes having read the terms and conditions and click Continue. This will take you to a screen where you can confirm your email address. Click Continue and then enter the verification code you will be sent in your email. This will enable you to create a password to log in with. Finally, to complete your account, add in your home address, postcode or zip code, city and mobile number. Once done, you can click the complete option at the bottom of the screen and you are now able to log into the Powergate app and pair your device. You can now log into the Powergate app and pair your device. When you log in, you'll be greeted by a screen which asks you to pair your device. At this point, please connect your OBD cable to your Powergate device and then connect the Powergate to the vehicle you wish to tune. Please also ensure that you are connected to the internet and your Bluetooth and location data are enabled. After moving through these menus, the app will then search for your Powergate and connect to it via Bluetooth. It will then take a moment to update your Powergate settings and firmware. After this process is complete, you are now ready to begin tuning your vehicle. Now the app is installed and registered, you are now ready to get tuning. Firstly, attach the OBD cable to your Powergate and then plug it into your vehicle via the OBD port. Once plugged in, the Powergate will display a blue light. You can now open the mobile app. Notice the ignition of the car hasn't yet been turned on. The app will display some general information about Alientech. As this is a first time use, it's going to ask you to sign in. We are already signed in on this one and already registered, but follow the on-screen process to register your Powergate device. Once registered, the details displayed at the top of your app should match the serial number on the back of your Powergate device. Whilst the device connects via Bluetooth, you will still need to be connected to the internet to use it. At any point in the process, if you are unsure, please contact Vizu Technical Support for assistance. Once connected to the internet, the Powergate device will check for any software updates it needs to perform. Whilst you are connected to the device, the Powergate will display a yellow light. At any point of the process, if you are unsure, please contact Vizu Technical Support for assistance. Start by selecting your vehicle from the drop-down menu. Choose your vehicle's make, fuel type and model. In this example, we're going to select Peugeot, Diesel and Partner 2015. This action ensures the app displays all the relevant vehicle details, such as horsepower or torque, to help you confirm your selection. Press continue and this will begin to load a new session and present you with some ECU options. In this case, our car is a Bosch EDC17 C60, so we will select that. At any point of any process, if you are unsure about your vehicle's details and ECU model, then contact the Vizu technical team on 01789 774444 or email info@vizu.com. As you can see, the connection between the car and the Powergate has started. This may take some time. Once it has connected, it will give you the options for RD, reading and writing. We have to press RD first and follow the on-screen prompts. The Powergate will turn red as it tries to communicate with the ECU for the RD process, and it will flash as the communication is taking place. During the RD process, it will export the RD data to the cloud. It will then notify you once the RD process has completed via an in-app notification or push notification, and let you know that you need to take a read of the vehicle next. Click Next to continue and select Reading from the options on the following menu. This will start the reading communication process. A warning notification will appear reminding you that you will need to connect a battery stabilizer to your vehicle for the reading process to be safe and successful. The stabilizer is there to ensure a constant supply of power during the reading and writing process. If you haven't yet done that, now's the time to connect it up. Once all connected up, click OK. Follow any on-screen instructions the app presents you with. In this case, it's asking us to turn the car ignition on and press continue. It rechecks the ID before proceeding any further and asks if you would like to proceed with the read. Please click OK. The lights will flash on the Powergate during the reading process. As the reading process comes to a close, it will notify you to turn the vehicle's ignition off. You will then receive a notification telling you ECU reading successfully completed. Please click OK to continue. It will then begin to export the ECU data file and automatically send it to the Vizu technical team, who will be on hand to pick up the ECU data file and make the modifications you have requested in the original purchase of the product. Remember, you have a choice from Eco Me, Thrill Me, Fusion Me, Excite Me, Park Me, Classic Me, as well as some optional extras. You will receive another notification telling you your request is under evaluation. You will receive a notification once the operation is complete. On screen, you will see a command to please select Next below this message to be taken to the final screen, where it asks you to confirm everything and asks if you wish to proceed. Click Confirm to continue. This will take you back to your main screen of the app. Open the app once more. It will ask you to connect to the Wi-Fi again and then begin to connect to the device and run all its necessary checks it needs to perform. It will then ask you if you would like to continue from the last active session. Select Continue and select the same ECU again. It will then take you back to the last point you were at. In this case, the next stage is the writing option on the main menu. It will then ask you if you would like to continue from the last active session. Select Continue and select the same ECU again. It will then take you back to the last point you were at. In this case, the next stage is the writing option on the main menu. Click Next and this will take you to a menu screen where you can select the file you wish to write to your vehicle. In this case, select the modified file for the Peugeot partner and click Next. It will ask you once more to connect a battery stabilizer. So please do this if you haven't already before you continue. It will then tell you to please turn on the ignition. Please do this and click OK to continue. The Powergate will start to flash red once more as communication begins. It performs the ID check to confirm you have the right vehicle, then asks if you wish to proceed with the writing for that vehicle. Please select OK to continue. Please follow the on-screen instructions during the writing process. Once the writing process has been completed, it will take you back to the ID reading and writing screen, where you can close the active session down. Choose Vizu for the Powergate and experience the future of vehicle tuning today. Visit our shop and buy online. If you have any further questions on how to use the Powergate on your vehicle, please contact Vizu on 01789 774444 or email us at info@vizu.com.